Hello friends, in this video we will cover various network devices. Network devices are various hardware devices that are used to connect computers, printers, etc. to a network. They are also called networking hardware, network equipment, etc. These devices helps to transfer data fast, secure and correct way. Each of these devices have a specific purpose. Let's look at some of them here. If any machine to connect to network first needs for network interface card or Wi-Fi card. Network interface card, also known as Ethernet card, network card, LAN card, network adapter card, network interface unit or terminal access point. It is a physical and data link layer device used by computers to connect and communicate with other devices on the LAN. The earliest Ethernet cards were external to the system and needed to be installed manually. In modern computer systems, it is an internal hardware component. The NIC manufacturer assigns unique physical address to each NIC card. This physical address is called MAC address, Media Access Control Address. It is a hardware identification number that uniquely identifies each device on a network. Because there are millions of networkable devices and extensions, MAC address helps to distinguish them on the network. Wi-Fi card is used to connect any device to local network wirelessly. Wi-Fi technology is used to achieve wireless connection to any network. They have built-in wireless radio and antenna. We have a Wi-Fi access point, which is the physical area of network which provides internet access through Wi-Fi. It is also called Wi-Fi hotspot or Wi-Fi access point. Hotspot can be set up at home, office or any public place. Hotspots themselves are connected to the network through wires. Every access point has a range of around 120 to 150 feet for home or much larger for school or university. And only devices within this range can connect to network. There can also be limit of number of computing devices that can connect to the network. So the network interface card, Wi-Fi card, your device is ready to talk to other devices. Now you need hub, switch, router to connect to other computers. Hub is a physical layer device which has multiple ports that are used to connect multiple computers or segments of LAN together. The data is transferred in packets to enter computer network. So when a host sends a data packet to a network hub, the hub copies the data packet to all of the ports it is connected to. Like this, all the ports know about the data and the port for home packet is intended cleans the packet. Hubs can be passive or active. Passive hub allows the signal to be passed without any change. Active hub amplifies the signal as it moves from one device to another. That helps to extend range of the network without using repeaters. Disadvantages of hub is that because of its working mechanism, hub is not so secure and safe. Copying the data packets and all the interfaces make it slower and more congested. To overcome these problems, we use of network switch. Switch is more intelligent than hub. Hub just does the work of data forwarding. Switch does filter and forwarding, which is a more intelligent way of dealing with the data packets. So when a packet is received at one of the interfaces of the switch, it checks the destination address and transfer the data packets to the correct receiver. Before forwarding, the packets are checked the other network errors. This technique is called packet switching technique. Next is router, which is the smartest and most complicated of the three. Router is mainly a network layer device. It can work like a switch that routes data packets based on their IP address. It's also maintain dynamically updating routing table based upon which they make decision on routing the data packets. Router normally connects LANs with an internet or other LANs together. It has the capability to repackage the data and send over another network. Connecting between different networks, we also use bridge and gateways. A bridge connects two or more LANs. It operates at a data link layer. Bridges handles network that follow the same protocol. Filtering, forwarding, blocking of frames are the functions of bridge. Gateway is a network device used to connect two or more dissimilar networks. It establishes an intelligent connection between the local network and external network. Gateway usually is a computer with multiple NICs connected to different networks. Repeaters are used to extend transmission so that the signal can cover longer distances or be received on the other side of an obstruction. It increases power of a signal and it retransmits. So that's it. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.